Hi guys, Patrick here of NoipyGeeks.com. OPPO has always been dedicated to improving the overall mobile photography industry, and that's something we're seeing here on the OPPO Reno 2. We already know that the OPPO Reno 2 is a great all-rounder device, as what we found out in our hands-on review that you can check out in the top right corner or in the links down below. But today, in our camera review, we want to dig in deeper on the device's best feature. Let's start right away and detail what we are working with here. Headlining its camera prowess is its 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor with a wide f1.7 aperture and an optical image stabilizer. There's also a 13 megapixel telephoto lens that can go up to 20 times of digital zoom, an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The device also has an ultra steady video feature that lets you take ultra steady videos even in handheld. It also has other great video recording features that are useful for content creators or any aspiring YouTubers out there. We actually created a short video that was entirely shot on the OPPO Reno 2 that you can check out. So today, we're focusing on its photography prowess, starting with the 48 megapixel primary shooter. Unsurprisingly, it takes really well-detailed images with great colors and brightness. The contrast is not the best right away until you set the exposure right before you take the shot. It also has a dazzle color mode feature which you can easily enable in the camera app. It basically analyzes the image that you've just taken and apply an appropriate amount of saturation for a more vibrant and Instagram-ready images. This camera is great for everything from taking pictures of food, adventures, people, and whatnot. The OPPO Reno 2 also has an ultra dark mode feature that takes a long exposure shot and creates bright and well-detailed images at night or indoors. The feature also works well even in handheld thanks to the optical image stabilizer and these smart software features. Next up, we have the 13 megapixel telephoto camera, which provides up to 5 times of hybrid zoom and 20 times of digital zoom. The 2x is useful if you just want to remove any distraction in the foreground, while at 5x you can get closer while still getting a relatively clean image. But everything beyond that, especially at 20 times zoom, is almost unusable. Still, at 20x, the details are visible. This is handy if you really want to capture faraway objects, or if you just want to check out something that is really far away. It's like having a telescope in your pocket. If you really want that ludicrous zooming in functionality, you can check out the OPPO Reno 10 times zoom, which we have again a review in the top right corner. Next up, we have the 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera. Well, clearly, the OPPO Reno 2 will allow you to take whatever kind of images that you want. It may not have too many pixels like what the first two have, but it still produces great images. Both the colors and contrast are acceptable, albeit the sharpness and details are definitely not its strongest suit. But with a wide field of view like this, you can cram in more subjects on a single frame, which is really handy if you're in tight spaces or you just want to put a lot of elements on your composition. Of course, we also have the obligatory 2 megapixel depth sensor. Thanks to this one, the primary camera can take bokeh images with great edge detection. As you can see in the sample photo, the foreground is neatly separated from the background, creating a believable depth of field effect. Another highlight of the OPPO Reno 2 is its pop-up selfie camera. OPPO's signature shark's fin pop-up camera houses a 16 megapixel sensor. The company have been doing selfies really great for a long time, so it's no surprise that this one also takes great selfies. Also, the software novelties are still here, from the AI face beauty and more. Well, that's it. As what you just saw, the OPPO Reno 2 is clearly equipped with tons of camera features that will make taking pictures and even shooting videos more enjoyable. OPPO didn't put a lot of cameras on this thing just to make it look good on paper. In fact, all of those cameras are useful, which performed even better thanks to the nifty tricks that its software have. If you're interested in getting this device, the OPPO Reno 2 is now available in the Philippines for a price of 28,990 pesos. Again, this has been Pachineta from noipage.com. For more detailed look about the OPPO Reno 2, you can check out all of the available links down in the description below. You might also see the thumbs up button, share this video if you liked it, subscribe if you still haven't. Hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a video. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And yeah, thank you for watching.